Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year,
last Christmas, I was really sick and almost died.
Save me from tears.
I don't tell people because they get weird.
I'll give it to someone special.
But I don't think you'll get weird.
Well, I guess it would be nice.
Mom?
No call, no Twitter.
Yeah, okay, I know.
Phone.
Oh,
You can ring me. I worry about you.
So, tell me about the diet.
She is eating rubbish.
Exercise?
Religiously. Not at all.
Alcohol?
Oh, she's drinking like the pirate. Vino?
Bloody hell.
Jenna, hey, it's me. Listen, I just really need a bed for the night. Hey, Elf!
This is my little helper. I have nicknamed her Lazy the Elf because she appears never to work.
That's me.
She could also be called Crushing Disappointment the Elf.
Cause I gotta have faith.
What are you looking at?
It's quite unusual to see a bird like that in town.
Oh, damn it!
It's good luck, you know.
Bollocks, is it?
Oh, yeah.
You have thrown away your life working in some silly Christmas shop.
Yes, but it's not what I do. I'm not a career elf. It's all part of my grand plan to become a famous singer.
Last Christmas, I gave you my...
Fantastic. Fantastic.
Oh, sorry. No, it was shit.
You, again.
I'm Tom.
Did you follow me here?
Are elves always so cynical?
Relentlessly, these are dark times.
Did you come with me, then?
Has anyone ever told you there's something slightly serial killery about you?
No, never more than once, anyway. I really enjoyed our walk today.
Ditto.
You're sweet, madame.
Ta-la.
This is gonna be so good for my sex life.
Since you came back, it's like you don't care about anything.
I'm a mess. When I was ill, it felt like I'd lost something special. I could sing before. I had all these dreams, but I'm just scared all the time.
That's okay. It's normal.
Why me?
It was always going to be you.
We are so lucky to be alive.
I like this man.
Now what?
How was it at home?
Hell, Mum sang me to sleep.
You're the only person who can make being sung to sleep sound like waterboarding.